This video will cover the topic, multiplication involving binomials and trinomials in one variable. This topic relies heavily on distribution, where we will multiply each term of one polynomial by each term of the other polynomial. Let's dive right in and look at an example. 6y plus 2 times 3y squared plus y minus 4. We will need to multiply every term in the second polynomial by both 6y and 2 in the first polynomial. We will start by multiplying 6y times 3y squared. This gives us 18y cubed. Next, we multiply 6y times y to get 6y squared, and we multiply 6y times negative 4 to get negative 24y. Next, we multiply 2 times 3y squared, and we get 6y squared. Now we can multiply 2 times y, which equals 2y. And lastly, we multiply 2 times negative 4, and that gives us negative 8.
I see that there are like terms that I can simplify, but everything is so jumbled up, it's hard to keep track. Is there a better way to organize this?
You're right. There are a lot of terms here. Why don't we rearrange things so we can add the like terms vertically? We have one term with y cubed in it, so we'll start by leaving that one there. Next, we have two terms with y squared, so we can put this 6y squared beneath this 6y squared. We also have two y terms, so we can put the 2y beneath the negative 24y. Lastly, we have one constant term, the negative 8, so we can put that next to the other purple terms. Now we want to add up the vertical columns.
But what do we add to the 18y cubed and the minus 8?
That's a good question. On the top row, we don't have a constant term, so that's like adding 0. And in the bottom row, we don't have a y cubed term, so that's like adding 0y cubed. Now we can add 18y cubed plus 0y cubed to get 18y cubed. Next, 6y squared plus 6y squared is 12y squared. Negative 24y plus 2y is negative 22y. And 0 minus 8 is negative 8. This tells us that when we multiply the binomial 6y plus 2 times the trinomial 3y squared plus y minus 4, we get the polynomial 18y cubed plus 12y squared minus 22y minus 8.
Wow, that makes everything much more organized. Could we try another example?
Let's take a look at 2v minus 7 times 3v squared minus 6v plus 1. How do you think we should start?
Well, we can first multiply 2v times 3v squared to get 6v cubed. Then 2v times negative 6v is negative 12v squared. And 2v times 1 is 2v. Next, negative 7 times 3v squared is negative 21v squared. And negative 7 times negative 6v is positive 42v. And negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Now we can add the vertical columns. Since the bottom polynomial doesn't have a v cubed term, 6v cubed plus 0v cubed is still 6v cubed. Next, negative 12v squared minus 21v squared equals negative 33v squared. And 2v plus 42v equals 44v. Also, since the top polynomial doesn't have a constant term, 0 minus 7 is negative 7. So is this our final answer?
That's right. When we multiply the original polynomials, we get an answer of 6v cubed minus 33v squared plus 44v minus 7.
Okay, so when multiplying binomials and trinomials together, we distribute each term of one polynomial to each term of the other polynomial, and we can organize the like terms into columns in order to add and simplify.
Great job! It sounds like you've got the hang of this topic.